Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Hey loves, so today I'm going to be reviewing one of the items as I've done in the past. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this purse, and I don't know if you guys remember when I did make this design, but I did this maybe last year or last 2 years. I don't quite remember. I'm gonna leave the picture, not the picture, the video in the description box, and as well as up here in case you just want to go check it out. So but there was nothing to this really, like this was a really simple DIY. So I just placed the stones on there using fabric glue, and that was it. So if you have a plain purse or bag you just want to upcycle and all that, you could give this a try. All right, and this is how it's been like this since I made this design, and I've been enjoying this purse and rocking it. So make sure to always think of a way to upcycle your things instead of just throwing it out. So yeah, basically that's it. So I'm just gonna leave the link of the video, and I will see you guys on Monday. So in case you don't know, I always post videos every Mondays and Fridays. So Mondays I post DIY related videos as well as haul, especially Shein, and then on Fridays I post review videos of the items or the designs I've made in the time past. So yeah, that's it. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you did like it. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.